Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Hopper Traveler account, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the verification process and unlock all features for booking travel. Step 1. Open the Hopper app on your smartphone or tablet. If you don't have the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Tap on Sign In or Log In and enter your email address and password to access your Hopper account. Step 3. After logging in, look for any verification notifications or prompts on your home screen or in your account settings. Step 4. Tap on your profile icon in the top left or bottom right corner of the app to access your account settings. Step 5. Navigate to Account Settings or Profile to view your account information and verification status. Step 6. If your email is not verified, you'll see a prompt to verify it. Tap on Verify Email or Resend Verification Email. Step 7. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Hopper with a subject line like Verify Your Hopper Account. Step 8. Open the email and tap on the verification link. This will open the Hopper app or a browser window and automatically verify your email address. Step 9. Return to the Hopper app and refresh your account settings to confirm that your email now shows as verified. Step 10. For additional account security and to access certain features, consider verifying your phone number. Tap on Add Phone Number or Verify Phone in your settings. Step 11. Enter your mobile phone number and wait for Hopper to send you a verification code via SMS. Step 12. Enter the verification code you received in the text message to confirm your phone number. Step 13. With a verified account, you can book flights, hotels, and car rentals, receive price predictions, and use Hopper's unique booking features like price freeze and cancel for any reason. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.